Welcome back to Hostile Guitars. I'm a Hostile. This is where the lick comes first, lesson comes later, and we're just out here having fun. I got the Jackson Kelly out today. This is a completely customized, not a KE1, just a modified Jackson Kelly. It plays amazing. So we're gonna hit a solo real quick. We don't want to get copyrighted, so this is not AI. I am a real dude, and what you see is real and probably not the greatest. There's many guitar players out there so much better than me. I love to listen to them, but hey, I'm gonna have fun with this solo. Maybe you can guess what it is. I don't want to get copyrighted, so here we go. Let's knock it out. All right. All right, well, that was totally fun. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do with it. We're out here having fun. There's regular people making music. We don't have to be the best and the professionals out here to have fun and share with the music community. So get it out there, play it. Let's hear your soul. Coming up with some original stuff real soon, too. We'll see you next time. Thanks.